Guys, today we're going to ice skating. Say hi to the camera. They're playing something on their tablet while we're going there. I went the wrong way. The wrong way.
Dapat nga talaga.
Oh, you're also driving. Wow. Cool.
And I'm
Wow.
Magkasunuran na lang sila.
against traffic.
Uy, bakit may
It
panda
doesn't look like there's any cars over there.
Sila lang pala ni,
There is it?
ano siguro di, ay no,
I'm
Pau-Pau.
confused with my mouth.
Oh, sila lang ni Pau Pau kasi si Pau Pau grade
You can do
4.
it.
Mag-grade
What
5
about
na
you,
eh.
Abby? What are you playing?
Oo, mag-driving ka gani ka maubasa.
Wanna play?
She looks like that koala bear that I
Ang tapo
see.
isa-isa.
So cute.
Dollar.
I yell.
Go, Sky, go. Go, the driver.
I'm skipping this. I don't care about these rules.
Oh, sa
gotta get
going.
yan.
You fool!
You guys screamed at the same time. Guys, we're here now at SM Mall of Asia. This is Sky and wearing my jacket. We're going to the escalator first.
Okay, let's go down.
Obviously. Be careful. Are we going? You're being left behind. Hi. Welcome to our channel. What can you say, Abby, about this shirt? Are you excited to skate? Oh my gosh. Comment down below, guys, if you went skating before and if you came to SM Mall of Asia. Yeah?
I don't think I remember how to skate properly. All I know is this.
Yeah?
Never mind.
All I know is the V thing that you do. Baby, oh, you look like you're in a music video. Okay. Oh my gosh, this child, no running child. No running. What if we get lost here and we're the only ones? We have to wait for them. No one's gonna fall, maybe except the phone.
Remember this place.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. It look like brother and sister.
Familiar. It's so cold here. My hands are already hurting by the coldness.
Good thing these kids got lost from the North Pole. Where's the ice skating? Are we gonna eat first or are we gonna skate first?
We're going skating first.
Yay! Yay!
We're probably gonna eat.
Probably. We always eat first. We're gonna go to McDonald's. Ay, ate ba? Sa taas, di ba? Ay, doon pala sa taas. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung level.
Tama, akyat nga.
Akyat ko lang tayo. Ito mabato yung arunod si Tas.
We're coming. Thank you po, Ate Vanessa, sa treat po. Thank you. You have to say,
Can I keep your jacket?
okay. Good thing I brought it there. Have you been waiting for this moment your whole life?
Yes.
Wow, how long?
This is the second time.
Wow. It's exciting. Look, they're skating over there. Nice.
And you still have to get there. Didn't tell
Polar bear.
Oh, kuha ko sila. Hindi silang dalawa. Ito, hindi ito. Ayaw niyan eh.
Ah, ayaw niya.
Hindi yan nag-guys yan.
Ate, susubukan ko na lang na walang polar bear para masanay po ako.
Suka?
O, subukan.
Pwede mo naman itabi pag ayaw mo. Oo. Tatlo naman kayo eh.
Sige, subukan ko na. Oh, sige. Bear na lang, bear. Bear.
Hi guys, we're here.
Yeah, we're here. We're falling in line in the papers.
Look,
We're so excited.
look at that. Wow. Ta-da! They're skating.
Okay, let's smile. We're about to go inside. Ate Hannah! Ate Hannah!
Not yet.
We are now inside.
Hindi man dito nag-play. Ayan.
Kini, nag-play na na.
Lapad ka? Lagi klaro, nakaduwang pa ta. Di ba kaya maganahan ang mata niya? Hindi ko na.
Hi guys, we just finished skating and now we're gonna go eat somewhere. And Abby was so brave. At first she was really scared, she was crying, and then later she started skating by herself. Right, Abby?
Yeah. Yeah.
Vlog na naman kayo ha.
Where's the carousel?
Pumungad na.
You wanna ride?
Yeah, I think so. I want to.
I wonder how much.
ride.
Nastiest castle. Nah. But it looks so expensive. I think that is.
Yeah. It looks so expensive, guys. Comment if it looks so expensive.
Can you move some more? Oh wait, no you can't because there's some. Okay.
Ta-da!
Sky is sleeping.
Oh, he's sleeping. Sad.
Pagod lang ka?
This is the biggest KFC restaurant I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Try to show them over there. You try to look. I like it. Let me hold it. Then you gotta show them look. Over there, guys. It's so wide. This is our. There's an exit.
Video.
Tito.
Wala na ng video ka tapos. Ganyan, naka-post yan.
Here's for you. KFC.
Anna, say hi.
She did say hi.
Tapin mo tas vlog ninyo ha.
Vloggers.
I know.
Here we are at the Sky Garden Park after eating. Oh my gosh, there's a river, water, there's a place to sit, there are other things you can do over there, whatever you got to do there. I think that's the ocean. Have you been here before?
Yeah.
This is my first time coming to a garden like this. Wow. Ooh, I love it here. You can see the Ferris wheel too. Ganda. No, they're just there. I can see Tito Aga over there. There is a playground. Ground. Go, Abby. What about you, Sky? Are you gonna try?
I'm waiting for finish.
What?
I'm waiting for her to finish.
Okay. Abby's very high up. She's on the thing. What is that called? Was it scary? Is it scary? Oh, it looks so scary the way it's twisted like that.
It's not even a slide anymore. It's so sticky.
Sticky? Wow, new sticky slide. You can go again if you want. Come on, it's so good. I don't know if I'm suitable for this. I'm kind of old now. We're almost home. So we're done. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. And then Abby, what did you say? Like and share. See you guys in the next video. Bye. It's me, Maurice. Maurice. I can't move it anymore. Who's Maurice?
Magkitahan parang wala man yan, di ba?
Oh, dyan sa may black.
Maurice.